welcome everyone. It's a networking event about what the program involves, our plans with Microsoft, how we're going to expand it, and then it's an opportunity as well for the Revols to get to meet some of our clients and to talk a little about what do they want out of their career and why they're excited to join this next step of their career journey with us. There's bowling. We also got billiard afterwards, and I hope you guys have a great night. Thank you.
Events like these help get these consultants in front of the folks that are looking to hire. It's just like doing an interview, except in a more casual setting, of course. Revolent is actually finding the talent for Microsoft partners and GSIs and then supplying the talent. This is not just a short-term solution. We keep these people employed through our employment, through Revolent, minimal couple of years, so we can keep these people flowing throughout the Microsoft ecosystem in different areas that Microsoft partners might find for them. Very unique approach to a problem that's been ongoing pre-pandemic and really has been magnified since.
So prior to my onboarding in IT into the Revolent world, I was actually in retail management for 10 years. And after learning dynamics, like there were so many things that kind of set off light bulbs. It was like, oh my gosh, I could have used this 2 years ago. Oh my gosh, I could have used this 3 weeks ago. So really finding that connection was really not as difficult as I thought it was gonna be. So it's been a really good journey, and I'm kind of excited to see where else I can go with this.
If you are a developer, the possibilities are endless in Dynamics 365. When new technologies come in, they're gonna be integrated with D365. So like it's gonna help me now, and it's gonna help me later on in my journey.
Meeting so many different people with Revolent, especially in my cohort, we all come from such different backgrounds. I already have friends that even if we never work together again, I can call them up and say, hey, like, do you know how to solve this? Because we all have different experiences, whether it's with the knowledge we've had learning from Revolent or our previous backgrounds.
If you're thinking about it, I think Revolent is a pretty solid option for you. They help you get trained up and you're not paying for anything. And then they will also help you get placed with a client. Some of these very well-known and prestigious Microsoft partners. So I'm very excited about getting to work with one of these partners. And they're also very helpful when it comes to just teaching you how to network and some of the soft skills that go along with gaining employment and also doing well as a consultant.